users are called subscriber, okay, or observers. Sometimes in that action happen in the observer, no, in the supplier, then the supplier should notify the observer. This is the relationship. The relationship, it's many. It's one to many. It's one to many. Thank you, Arman. Again, this week we will talk about the observer. Again, the observer design pattern. Okay, observer pattern design. It's the relationship between classes. The relationship is one to many. It's part of object-oriented programming. What is the money? The class represent the producer, or you can call supplier, and producer, supplier, publisher. Okay. This class, or this is not the class, to be more accurate. Okay. This is the relationship between objects. Okay. One object from class, okay, represent as a supplier, and list of observer objects. We can call them observer. Observer, what is the observer? Observer, that's I monitor, okay, something in the publisher class. In the publisher class. If this action happen, or if this data, okay, change data occur in the publisher, okay, the publisher should be notified what? Notify the observer. Like what? For example, when somebody search, or you want to from Amazon, okay, to buy a particular something, okay, you can register, okay, in the Amazon, and you need, okay, this product, okay, be available in the Amazon. I need to notify me to go to the buy this, okay, this product. This is the relationship between the observer and what and the publisher. Okay, there is many examples. Also, maybe for example, let's assume that we have a monitoring system. Okay, a monitoring system, and there is accident happen in this country, for example, whatever weather conditions or accidents. Okay, this monitoring system should be notify hospitals, police station, fire station. Okay, this is the relationship between the publisher, okay, class and observer class. What is at the first? Okay, let me list the objectives of this week. Okay. What is the observer design pattern in C#? Okay. I will show two examples. The first examples, the observers and publisher, okay, should implement the first example. Okay, you can implement the observer as is and publisher as is. Okay, but to understand the example two, okay, I will show you example how we can create the interface. Okay, create interface for observer class and create interface for what? For publisher class. Okay. So example one, this interface, those interface is custom interface. Custom interface. You can implement inside this interface some methods. Okay, will help you. Okay, to notify, to update data between the both sides. Okay, publisher and observer. In the second example, there is built-in observer, built-in interface for observer and observable. Okay, observable, the interface observable used for observer class and observer. Okay, observer interface, observer called observer. Okay, used to implement by what? By the observers. Okay, again the first one, observable. Okay, this interface, built-in interface, includes a list of methods. Okay, the publisher should inherit this observable. Okay, and implement the methods inside the observable. The next interface called observe. Okay, also it is interface include list of methods. Okay, and you need when you need to the observers. Okay, to implement, but to enhance this interface and implement the methods inside this interface. Let me start this lecture about example one, how we can create custom interface for publisher and for what? For observer. Okay. Also, we will discuss where we can use observers or observer pattern, design pattern. Okay, what's the example? Like I said before, metering system, products, companies. Okay, for example, there's companies you need to notify their employees. Okay, for example, for the meeting date. Okay, by email, whatever. Okay, let me start. Okay, by the observer. So the observer again, there's many names. Okay, many names. The observer, watchers. Okay, subscriber. Okay, those names called for what? Called for observer. Okay, is a behavioral design pattern that allows some objects to notify other objects, okay, about change in their status. Okay, the observer patterns provide a way to subscribe. Okay, subscribe the same naming for watchers, for observers. Okay, to what? To add or attach or register under what? Okay, and what? And unsubscribe or remove or deattach or unregister. And register from what? From the publisher. okay, from the publisher or producer or supplier, okay, to and from these events for any objects that implement a subscriber interface. The observer design pattern should define a relationship one-to-many. Okay, one. We are talking in the one, the side, this publisher side, to many. Okay, dependency many from what? For what? For the observer design. Observers. Okay, dependency between the objects, so that when the one object changes, okay, status, this publisher, okay, one object is change this publisher should notify, okay, something in subscriber, okay, and there is update will happen here in the subscriber. Are notify and update automatically. This is the relationship between the publisher and subscribers. So again, the observer design pattern is a software design pattern, okay, in which an object called, okay, as a subject, publisher, provider, producer, okay, whatever, okay, that notify what? Notify the observers, watchers, okay, subscribers, and notify them automatically whenever any state changes in what? In the subject, okay, calling one of their methods. One of their methods inside what? Inside, okay, the observers and subscribers. The other names of the pattern are producer and consumer, okay? Also, the relationship between producer and consumer, or publisher and subscribers. So the relationship, this is the relationship, okay? The observer design pattern is having two main components. The first one, subject. This is the subject. Subject is object, okay, from class, from observer class, from publisher class, okay. They are the publishers, okay. When change a course and to subject, it should notify all of what? Of it is subscribers. This is subscribers, okay. Should notify them. Another name of the observers, okay, also listener, okay, listener. Please look to this screen or this diagram, okay. There is inside subject, okay, the subject, the responsibility or the functionality of the subject, okay, maintains a list of observers. Maybe I have 1, 3, 2, 4, whatever, many, okay, of what? Of observers. Their subject, okay, it's very important, or they are the observer, okay, looking for this subject, okay, or the subject state. What is the state of the subject? For example, the iPhone, okay, is available or not. As I said, example, we have Amazon. There are some subscribers, okay, or some users registered in this website, and they are looking for particular phone, okay. If example, if this iPhone available, okay, notify all observer, okay, to come to buy this phone. There is also method inside the subject called register and unregister the observer, okay. This is the main, okay, this is the main components for the pattern design, observer pattern design. Inside the observer also there is method called update, okay, update. That means I need to receive this notification, okay. I'm currently, I know there is no iPhone Pro 15 Max. This is the last one, 14, right? So there is no iPhone Pro 15. Okay, I will register in the Amazon, for example, Amazon, whatever, any websites, Amazon, what's called this sites?
Retailer.
Yeah, any name. So if I maybe there's options. There's something for example, if you register in KGG or marketplace in the Facebook, there's option notify me when the price decrease.
Yeah.
Yes. You see this option? I think marketplace.
Marketplace, then like it comes as a notifications, like
Yes.
allow if you want notifications.
Yes,
you
exactly.
can-
Yes, like this. So this is the design pattern, okay, the observer design pattern. There's no Visual Studio Code here. Visual Studio, no, there's available Visual Studio. Okay, great. Okay. As shown in the image, we can define the subject, okay, as object which maintain a list of observers. Okay, the subject has a method. This method to register and unregister, okay, the observers. Okay. So in the main method, we need to create object from publisher. Okay, from publisher, need to create object from publisher, and need to create a list of observers. Okay. There's a method. We can call this method by this object, the publisher object. This method unregistered or registered, okay, observers. So I have just one object and list of observers. Okay, I can register in this object, publisher object, many observer, okay, objects. There in the subject it has also some state, like I said, okay, in monitoring center, for example, there is alarm. Okay, the alarm is off. Okay, if is on, okay, notify all any importance or any objects interest in this alarm. For example, hospital, fire station, police station. So there is a status. Okay, maybe this is status change. So I need to do it to notify what? To notify the observers or watchers, okay, or subscribers. Whenever there are some changes that occur in the state, then the subject will notify method. This is the method, okay, notify method. So please, now inside the subject we have state and notify method and register and unregister method. Inside what? Inside, okay, observer. And list of what? List data. This list data from data type observer. Okay, from data type observer. All the observers which are registered in the subject by calling one of the observer method. Okay, observer method. This is the observer method called, maybe you can name it update. Inside the observer. Okay, I can access the observer. Subject. Notify and update. Okay, or call the update method. Inside what? Inside the observer. Once the observers gets the notification from the subject, it will call one of the methods of the subject to get the change status data. Is called update the method. There is two design, okay, for observer design pattern, okay, pull and push, okay. This is the most common. I don't need to go to the subscriber, to the publisher, please, this application or this product available or not, okay? Just when this product available, okay, notify me. So this is the most common, okay, push model. At the first, pull model, any object subscriber that is interested in the status of the change, in the status change, will periodically incur, okay, the state. Difficult to work with the events. So the most common, okay, push model, registered object, subscriber, receive the update or notification whenever a state change or an event occurs. It is the publisher who ensures that each and every subscriber is notified. Okay, this push, okay, model. Okay, in pull model you have two, okay, ways or two direction, from subject to observer and from observer to subject. But our example focus in this model push model. This example, okay. Now this example, as you can see in the below image, 3 users. Okay, we have 3 users searching for particular mobile. Okay, register to the Amazon website. Okay, Amazon website is publisher. Okay, class. For buying a mobile phone. Okay, so the status, mobile phone available or not. Okay, available or not. But at that time, the mobile phone is not available state. But the below 3 user want to buy the that particular mobile. Just register one action. Okay, just register in the subject. The subscribers registered with the option on the Amazon site called notify me when the product is available. This is the method inside what? Inside the mobile. Also there is a method again, register and unregister what? Observers. So that when the product is available, okay, the state happen, okay, change happen, the Amazon site will send a notification to them. Like this example, like this diagram, okay, notify the users. After a few days, the product is available, and so the status is changed. So what Amazon will do is send notification to all the users who are registered, who are interested about this product. As we already discussed in the observer design pattern, has 2 main concepts or components. Okay, the subject, okay, the mobile subject from Amazon, okay, and what? And observers, those called observers. So in our example, the mobile is subject and the 3 users, user 1, user 2, and user 3 are the observer. For a better for a better understanding, please have look to the following image. Okay, let me start by the code.
You're using the console, right?
Yes, console, yes. Okay, console application.net. Console application.net, just any name, server, design, okay, create. Access denied, session, okay, where we can. In the desktop. This is the main class, okay. This is the main a class. Guys, you can write the code inside in the same page, or we can here, okay, go to the, okay, and any items, whatever class, class form, Windows form application, right? Windows form application. Yeah, it's work with you, right?
I didn't try.
I didn't
Yeah,
try.
I used it in a previous
No,
course.
but I think Windows application supported by .NET. Be careful, okay? Now guys here, okay, let me try. At the first I need to create, okay? In custom interface, okay, actually you don't need to create interface, but let me explain, okay, with custom interface, because later on in the next lecture, okay, it's very important to understand the interface, okay, how we can implement the methods inside the interface. We will use 3 interfaces. The first one, iObservable. The second one, iObserver. The third one, iDisposable. iDisposable. Okay, iObservable used for publisher, iObserver used for the observers, okay, and iDisposable used specifically for method to unregister any object. Okay, we will talk about those, okay, in the next class. Now here, okay, right click in the in my solution, okay, add a new item. The first we need to declare interface. Let me, okay, name this interface I subject. Okay, I subject. Now this is the interface. You see the interface internal. Okay, so what is the meaning internal? Internal, I can access this interface in my namespace. Okay. Now we need 3 methods. The first one, void public, as public void. Okay, the first one, public void register. Register. This register, okay, take something called. Here I will use the iObserver as a data type, okay, not as a class. Okay, iObserver, iObserver. Okay, this iObserver for what? For observer. Public is not valid, yes. Okay, public is not valid. iObserver should be with data type. Show potential first.
data type because it's enclosed in those under bracket. So we could use a generic for now.
Yes, it's yeah. But I did the same example yesterday. It's not important to put generic data type. But let me check. Okay, this is the observer because I need as a you see we have observer. But why it's okay? Now it's work. Maybe maybe do you know something? Maybe the spelling or the letters. Okay, I observe. We did the same example. Now, okay, register what? Observer.
Oh, Professor.
Yes.
Doesn't work.
Yeah, it's not working.
Still giving.
It's not working,
Yeah, it says requires one type arguments.
but it's
Yeah.
working with me. Why?
Yeah, I don't know.
Using system. Try to using system alone.
No. I generated the. And you also check the solution.
Let me check.
I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it could be.
Yes, but you see. Yeah.
If you remove it, probably it's going to be again.
No. I need it.
Okay.
I need it.
So I
But yeah. Yes, yeah. You need to create I am subject and I observer. I'm sorry. Okay, guys. Okay. Again, guys. You need to create two interfaces. Okay, one for observer and one for subject. Okay. Because there's a high connection between both. Okay, between subject and observer. Okay, now again, remove this observer and remove this. Don't save. Remove. Okay, this is the main program. Where's the main? This is the program. Okay.
Sorry, it's
Remove. Let me start again. Okay, remove the I observer and I subject. Right click. Okay. In my namespace. Okay, add a new items. The first item interface. The second item also interface. And the first item. Okay, let me observer. I observe. Because sometimes I need to call from do you remember the notify and update? Okay, so I need to notify. If I need to notify observer, I should have object from observer. Okay. Also, if I need to update the observer, if I need to notify the observer, I need to what? I need object from observer. If I need to update my data, I need object from what? From publisher. So I need two interfaces. I need two interfaces. The first one, observer, any name, any name. I observer.cs. Okay, right click again, add new. In the solution, add a new items also. What is this item? Item I subject. Interface also. Be careful, guys. Interface. You see the interface icon? This is the interface icon. Okay. This interface, the both should be interface. Okay. I observer, I subject. One for the subject, publisher, and one for the observer. Okay. Now. Now, for the subject, inside the subject, I need just one method, three methods. Register, and register what? Notify. 3 methods, okay? Void, register, observer, okay? This observer, register observer, I need object from what? From observer, okay? Void unregistered observer. Also, I need object from from observer. Okay. Now the last method, void notify. Nothing. Okay, just a print. Great. Now for the interface observer, I need just one method. Okay, for the observer. Void update. This update for what? From what? From observer. But about what? About value. This value, okay, in our example, okay, the state. The state is string, okay, just I need to string. Available or not available, okay, string. I'm sorry, inside the update. String availability. Okay. You need the previous code.
No.
Now I need to create the classes. Now I finished creating what? Creating the interfaces. Those.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Those interfaces, guys. Okay, it's custom. Are custom. Okay, those interfaces are customs. Okay, in the next class, okay, there is built-in observable and observer. Okay. So I can't do the design pattern without interfaces. But I'm looking to something just to understand next example. Okay, next example, what I have to do or what I have to implement. What is the method I have to implement? Okay, from the interfaces, especially from the observable and observer. Okay. Now create what? Create class. Add class. This is class for observer. This is class for observer. Okay, this is class for observer. Is a class. Okay, this class observer inherent or implement observer. Observer. My interface observer. Okay. There is error. What is the error?
Not implementing.
Yes, I need to implement anything inside the interface. But the first observer, let me complete what implement the class, my class. Okay, my class. Okay, maybe I need to public. For example, my observer. The observer, the name. Okay, the name is it's enough. Okay, public. Okay, public string. Name. Okay. This name. Set it. Also build a constructor from this class, public observer, take one parameter. Okay, one, yes, one parameter.
Wrong brackets.
No, there is two parameters. The first one, the name, okay. The first one, the name, username, okay, string. For the name of the observer.
You're not using the right brackets.
No, the constructor. Yes, yes, yeah. The constructor need to practice. I think I'm looking for the attribute. The attribute there is no like the name. You see name? There is no practice.
Oh, sorry, this is a field, not a
Yeah.
constructor.
Yeah, that's the constructor. No. The construct. Yes, constructor. Yes, you need practice. But the name, but the attribute. No. You don't need to the type practice. Okay. So in the observer we have two data types. Okay, the first one, okay, the customer name. Okay, and the second one, okay, what? The second one is subject. Okay, is subject because I need to call the subject. There's connection between the customer and the subject. Okay, the website. Okay, now I need string user name and I subject. Okay, subject. Now this dot name equal name. Okay.
Username. This name is equal to username.
Username, yes, thank you. Yes, username. Okay. The second attribute, subject. Now by using subject, dot what? Dot register this object. Okay, register this object. There is method inside the subject, right? Register and unregister. Okay? So directly when you create object, register this object from for what? From under subject. Okay? The last method public void update. Public void update. For what? For string value. This is string value. Okay, represent what? Represent the availability. Okay, I can just console, do try line. Okay, hi what? Hi the username, the name. Okay, this. Name plus in the quotation plus or directly no this dot name will work. Okay, now hello this name. I need to notify okay this object, this availability, okay, about this availability. The what? The product now is available. Okay, this is the code, or this is the implementation of the observer, of the observer object. Okay, of the observer object.
Can I see the I subject interface?
What?
The I subject interface.
I subject. This I subject. Observer, this observer. I observer or observer?
No, I observe.
I observer, this I observer. now the last class. Okay, the last class. What is the last class? I declare, okay, I declare I observer and I subject. I subject.
We need a subject class.
Yes, subject class. Now I subject includes three methods. Okay, what is the three method inside I subject? Okay, register, unregister, okay, and notify. The register and unregister take one parameter, this parameter the observer. From data type of what? I observe. Okay, I observe. And the last method, okay, notify. Just notify. Print statement. Okay, notify. Notify who? Notify the observers. Okay. Now the last class. Take a break. Take a break.
After this.
After this, it's Stolok. The class Stolok. Maybe 30 lines at least. It's up to you. After that, we have activity. We need to create a similar example. Okay. Take a break, guys. 10 minutes. Come. This is the last one. Okay.
saw some examples online.
Let me do one thing. I'm gonna get started on it today, and I'll upload it to our GitHub.
Just check this one.
You see
This
any?
is like this one.
So a good example is the weak one. Yes, online.
You see?
401. This is a program. This is where the main thing happens. Like, so how you do it is you create a new console application.NET
Yeah,
framework.
so you
and
have
so
to
yeah.
use like Windows ROM.
Yep.
Three, like one is management notification, one is site notification,
Mhm.
and the other one is notification management.
Yeah, yeah.
So these three, for these three we have nodes here.
So yeah. So what is this? Is this for? Should we find the answers?
Yeah.
Okay. Send it to me. I'll have a look. So
That's why it's like this.
yeah, but again, like this is.
Man, you have to type the code. You have to type the code.
You can't just copy and paste.
No.
Oh, it's yeah. I don't think I need to do it. It's let me have a look actually. No.
Like 3 or 4 days.
Well, it's 17. Yeah, I can do this.
What's your was?
Yeah. I don't know if you have my number.
I do. Maybe I didn't save on my
No, you do. It seems like yeah, you have it probably saved. So this is we are using what he's showing us here. Do one thing. Send me that to WhatsApp. This could help me just sort of like know where to start.
Maybe in this one we have to submit 3 of us, like the first one you submitted yourself. Maybe from I got an email. You also got the email.
Yeah, I submitted it for us. I know, like.
Yeah, so we have to submit like 3 of us basically. Or one class. I'm gonna send it to you tonight. Then I will talk to Professor like, do you need to submit 3 of us or only one class?
He hasn't decided that yet. Just like, yeah, we're required to use. This is on the simplified. Did you send me?
Now I need to write or to implement the last class. We have two interfaces and we have two classes. Okay. Now we implemented the two interfaces and one class. Now we need to complete. Yes, the last one, the subject class. I will share. Don't worry. I will share. Every week, at the end of the class, at the end of the week, I will share my slides and my examples. Okay?
Yeah.
Those codes, this code adaptable. You can copy and paste. Okay? Now, guys, the last, we need to add a new, class. This class, the subject class. Most of methods inside the subject. What is the method inside the subject? Register, observer, and register observer notify. Okay, and what? And create a list. Okay, of observers to manage and add I am a publisher. Okay. Let's assume that I am a publisher. I need to collect my students, in the same list. Okay, I need to score or mark your assignments. I need to notify. Like this is a real example. When I published my score or your score, everybody notify that. Notify that my score, your score are published. Okay, everybody like your score. I posted. Anybody have notes? Anybody doesn't like his score?
I don't think they're here. Whoever actually got bad on it.
Huh?
Whoever got bad marks, right? They're not here.
There's a reason, yeah. It's a vicious cycle. Yeah.
No, but at most nobody less than 8. So really, I did my best really to support you. There's some examples that not work with me, but I assume that you under. But I looked to the or I reviewed the codes. Okay, so I thought this guy understand me, so it's enough. Hopefully everything several, right? Okay, guys, the last class is subject class. Okay, this is the Amazon. Okay, this is the Amazon. Now inside subject, most of codes, inside subject. Okay. In the observer, just I need to register, not a register. In the observer, just I have just one method, and my name, Method update, about what? About something, yours. About something, yours. I need to update my status, to know you have this product or not. But in subject, this is the responsibility of the subject. I need to notify, I need to register, I need to remove, and register. So let's start by subject, the subject, subject class. This is the subject class. In subject class, implement what? Implement the I subject, interface. Now, till this moment, the compiler underlined my code is error because I need to implement everything, every variable, every method inside there is no variable inside the interface, but methods. Any methods, any functions, I need to implement here. Again, I need to implement it here again. There is just a title inside the interface, just a title. There is no body, there is no implementation body. So I need here, to implement any method inside the interface. Subject is class, I subject is interface. Now subject Okay, inherent the I subject, so I need to implement any method inside the I subject. Okay, let me start. At the first, okay, in the subject, I have, for example, integer, okay, price. Okay, string, price, okay, string, product name. This is the most important string. What? Availability. This attribute, okay, it is most something, or it is more something the observer interested in. Okay, the availability. It's available, so I'm rich. I'm not looking to the price. Okay, I'm not looking to the product name. Okay, I need the iPhone, for example, Pro 14 Pro Max. Okay, just I need it's available or not. This is a very important attribute for the observer. Okay. Now I need to what? I need to build the constructor of the subject. Okay, the subject. I need to pass the three attributes: the price, product name, and availability. Okay. Now, I need for the availability. It's up to you. If you want, you can create, okay, set and get for all attributes, but it is again the most important things. Okay, the availability. Okay, public. Public string availability. Should be in different name because we have the same name. Okay, yes, I need to change get. Okay, you cannot declare variable and method by the same name. Okay, this method return what? Return availability. Yes, method we will practice. Now public. Yeah, I'm sorry guys. Also I need here in the attribute, okay, list of what? I observable. Okay, list of I observable. Okay, list. The data type I observable. I observer, I'm sorry, I observer. Okay. Any name, observer, list, equal, a new I observer. Because I need to register and unregister. Now after get, I need to public set. Okay, public void set value, set availability. This set availability string availability. here, guys, I need to call the notify method. Okay, the notify method inside the set because I need the observer. Okay. Know that I have. Okay, this or the variable is changed. Okay, whatever, available or not available. Okay, now this
Sir, can you put scroll up a little?
yes.
Thank you.
This available equal AV and notify. Notify observer. Observer.notify. Where's the observer? Notify should be inside what? Inside the observer. I observer. So I need to implement here. Okay, I notify observer. This notify observer after create or after implement notify need to what? Need to okay. At the first, let me complete. Okay, public. What is the methods inside the I observer? I observer. Yes, I observers. What is the methods inside I observers? Update. Inside subject. What I subject. Yes. What is the inside I subject? Inside I subject I have three methods. You see? Okay. Control copy. Go to the subject here. Control V. Now public. Public. Void register observer. Observer list. Added observer. Okay. We have list. Public unregister observer list. Don't remove. Okay, what observer? Notify public. Notify. Okay. Notify the user. Okay. What is the notify? Console statement, just a print statement. Print statement, console. And call what? Call something inside the observer, okay, or update. Okay. Console.write line. Now for each I observer or for each I observer in the observer list, okay, just make update. Make update for what? For the update method observer. Dot update with availability. Yes. Again, I will explain every line. Okay, but let me complete the code. But this method, okay, inside what? Inside set availability. Okay, when I need to notify the user, when I what? In set availability method, in the availability changed. Okay, so this function called here in the set availability notify. Again, let me start from the first line. I create subject. Okay. Now, till this moment, everything is clear. Before this class, everything is clear. Okay. Here, what happened here? At the first, I declare subject. Subject Amazon. Again, subject is Amazon. Okay. I need to declare. I'm looking for something. Okay. In this site, this is the subject. So subject. Implement the interface iSubject. How many methods inside that iSubject? Again, how many methods? 3. What is the 3? What are the 3 methods? Remove, register, unregister, and notify. What is the notify? If set is run, okay, if set is running, notify the user. Set method, okay? Usually, when you create a class, any class, okay, you need to change the value inside what? Set or get method. Inside set, okay? So when I call set method, set availability, notify the user. Whatever, available or not available. Okay, I need to set available. Okay, notify the user it's available. I need to set unavailable. Notify the user it's unavailable. Now, again, the relationship between the observers and what? And the subject, the relation 1 to many. 1 to many. This is 1 and observer many. So I need to declare what? List, just to manage my observers. Okay? Here, just methods, just attributes for the subject class. Okay, but most important for me, for the user, the availability. Okay? For the availability. Declare constructor of the class. Just declare the constructor. Okay? List of the observers. List of what? Of attributes. Okay? The attributes. The most important, availability. Constructor. This constructor what? Okay, for this method. To put what? To the attribute. Put attribute for any object, for any observer. Okay? For any subject. Now what happened? Now the most important, availability, right? So I need to declare get and set for what? For availability, right? So get availability, return the availability. What is the availability of this product? Available or not? Okay. Set availability. Set availability. When I need to set availability, I need to notify the user or the observers. Okay, that is available. But notify implemented here. This is the notify. This is the notify method. Okay. Now already I declare set and get for the availability because the availability is the important attribute. Okay. Now here, okay, just I implement the subject interface subject. There is 3 methods. What is the methods? Remove,
Update.
Register,
unregister, update inside the observers. Registered and unregistered and what? Notify. Okay. Notify what? Notify the user. Now we create inside the notify just a print statement. Okay, or you can print any example. The product is available. Okay. Now make loop for the observers to notify them. Okay, all them. The product is available. By what? By observer update. This update inside what? Inside the observer. Inside the observer. Change the update. The product is available. Okay? That's it. Now notify, okay, call the notify from what? From set availability. It's clear? Yes. iSubject interface. iSubject interface includes the three methods. You see? Register, observer, and register, observer, and notify. Now those method you need to implement inside what? Inside subject, because subject implement the interface iSubject. Okay? Now just here inside the iSubject, to show, but just to show the result, nothing else. Okay, inside the subject, console.write line. Okay, the product plus what? Product name. Okay. Price is the property price, okay, price plus notify all users. Notify all users. It's enough. Okay. And console.write line. Okay. What is this one? Now inside the main method, at the first you need to declare what? Observer. Subject, I'm sorry. Subject. Subject phone or mobile equal new subject. Okay, this subject take three parameters. The first one, price, $1,100. Okay, product name, iPhone 14 Pro Max. Okay, comma. Now this is the important string availability. Now at this moment, not available. Okay. Now the mobile. Now I need to declare, for example, three users. Okay. Observer. User 1 equal new user observer. Observer take two parameters. The first one, the name of user, for example. Okay, and what is the mobile? What is the? I'm looking for what? For mobile. Okay. Sorry, Control Z. This mobile. I'm looking for this mobile. Okay. this mobile. This mobile, the properties, this properties with this mobile. Okay, the price 100.
I'm sorry, you guys are talking way too loud over there. Keep it down, please.
Can you show the constructor of the subject? Change the order of the
What? What again? What
the
use?
constructor of the subject.
Constructor of this object, use the observer
Of the subject.
of the subject. Yes.
Okay.
Three attributes.
Yeah, no, I had the constructor order.
Okay. Also observer user 2. Control V. User 2. This user 2 also looking at the same mobile. Okay. This user job. Control V. The user 3. Mary. Now, okay, now the availability, okay, the availability, is not available, right? Now console.write line, okay, mobile dot not get availability. Let me run the code. Not available. Let me change something inside the subject file. We can add something called register observer. Okay, now inside the main method. We complete, guys, but I need to show you something. Okay. Now we have mobile dot notify or dot set availability is available. Okay, like set availability take two parameter, one parameter, right? String. Is available. Now console.write line. Now all the user, okay, all the user will notify, okay, but there is a method I will show you now example, at the same my example, okay. You see, not available. Now, hi Muhammad, the product is available now, you see. Hi John, the product now is available. Hi Mary, the product now is available. It's clear? After notify. And at the first, just console.write the availability. What is the availability? Not available. Okay, now set notify. Okay, set availability is available. I changed the availability. Now console.write line mobile.get availability. After that, inside now after you see, guys, after calling set availability, inside set availability there is a method notify. So the users, okay, the users or the user notify that the method that the product is now is available. Okay, it's clear. Okay, now we have activity now. A simple example. This example. example. Please try. We have a monitoring system. Okay. Inside the monitoring system, there is a attribute, alarm. Okay. You can assign pool value or string value. Alarm is on or is off, or true or false. It's up to you. Now we register 3 observers. Okay, observers 1, okay, hospital, observer 2, police, observer 3, fire station. Okay. Inside the alarm, we have status. This status represents the alarm. Also, we have a methods, register and register. It's up to you. If you want, you can create by interface or directly inside the class. But my advice, to understand the topic next lecture, create interfaces, okay, and implement these interfaces. Yeah, please start. Anybody complete? You can leave.
Can I ask you a question about the lab?
Hmm?
The lab, can I ask you a question about
Yes.
the word in the end of the, you prefer it to be in the end of the class?
It's about this example or no?
The lab.
The lab.
Yes, the lab that we are supposed to submit on Friday.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, but you want me to ask the question?
Yes, sure.
Yeah.
Because, okay, let me see my project. I submitted it already. But you know there is one of these things that we have to check boxes. So when you click it and then you can things like that.
Yeah.
Show me this.
I think I have the, because I submitted mine already.
Yeah, regarding to the assignment.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
I have assignment.
Yeah, you submitted?
Yes. Yes.
Do you know something? The same example, but what is the difference? You remember our example? Sent via email, sent via multicasting? The same. But what is the difference? The difference, there is in console a class and there is form class.
Yes, no, I mean, I have, just because on the description here.
This description is not.
I know, but it's confusing for me, because here we have like these 2 fields here, but this is the only one that matters, right?
Yeah.
This one actually doesn't matter much, right?
So you need to